if you address obesity, you can prevent lots of other diseases in future, like diabetes, like hypertension, high cholesterol, cancer, depression, anxiety, sleep apnea, which are associated with obesity. So today's world focuses a lot on treatment. Now, when we talk about treatment, what is the treatment of obesity? Hello, this is Dr. Reema Kashiva, Director of Center of Excellence of Diabetes and Obesity, Noble Hospital, Pune. We always talk about a lot of diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, hypertension, stroke, thyroid, and many others. But usually it is said that we are not talking much about obesity. In the present time, it is found that many million population is affected by obesity, and obesity is not treated well or is not even taken into account to be treated. So it is very important for us to know something about obesity and increase more awareness about it. Obesity is nowadays declared as a disease and that needs most important attention of everyone to be treated. So what is obesity? Obesity normally we measure in terms of waist hip ratio or BMI. So waist hip ratio more than 90 in men and more than 80 centimeters in women is considered to be obesity. And BMI, normal BMI is less than 25. BMI between 25 to 30 is considered to be overweight and more than 30 is considered to be obesity. Even in this, between 30 to 35 is stage 1 obesity, but anything about 35 is considered to be a bad obesity or stage 2 obesity, and more than 40 BMI is considered to be morbid obesity, which is even deadly. Obesity in itself is a crater of lots and lots of other diseases, including cancer. So it is said that if you address obesity, you can prevent lots of other diseases in future, like diabetes, like hypertension, high cholesterol, cancer, depression, anxiety, sleep apnea, which are associated with obesity. So today's world focuses a lot on treatment. Now, when we talk about treatment, what is the treatment of obesity? Normally, people do not volunteer to come out for treatment because they don't know that there is obesity treatment. In general, most important general population only thinks that the treatment of obesity is just lifestyle modification. Means या तो हमें एक्सरसाइज करनी है या हमें बहुत डाइट करनी है तभी हम वेट अपना कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. So my dear friends, it's not true. In today's world, the lot of good drugs have come up in the market which addresses obesity and treats obesity and helps us preventing complications of obesity in future. कुछ ओबेसिटी ऐसी होती हैं जो चाइल्डहुड होती हैं, जो जेनेटिक होती हैं, जैसे कि डाउन सिंड्रोम एंड देयर मेनी अदर सिंड्रोम्स दैट आर एसोसिएटेड. उनका ट्रीटमेंट थोड़ा अलग तरीके से करना पड़ता है, बट दोज ओबेसिटीज विच आर नॉट कंजेनाइटल, दे आर ट्रीटेबल. And we at Noble Hospital have a very good center of excellence of diabetes and obesity, where we are successful in managing obesity with the help of a team that includes a very good trained dietitian, an educator, a very good nurse, and a team of physicians who are bariatric physicians plus bariatric surgeon in case, if at all, when the medicines fail, surgery is needed. So please look at obesity as a disease, address it and treat it on time to prevent many other complications of obesity in future. Thank you.